Today I've got another video for you on treating patent leather goods. This shoe that I'm working on to relist for profit has some superficial light scuffing around the toe and heel areas. So I'm going to go ahead and use my lightweight suede eraser and rub on those marks, and you're going to see that they come right off. Now, this doesn't always work depending on the surface of the leather and the type of mark that you're trying to treat. It will not work on anything that has gotten under the coating of plastic on the top of the leather. And it won't work for any kind of dyed in stains, but anything that's superficial, anything that is lying on the surface of the patent leather, I find that the soft suede eraser can often very quickly and very easily remove those scuff marks as you see here. Now, I do want to caution you that there are some more heavy duty suede erasers out there that have some grit to them. I would not use those on any patent leather surfaces because they are liable to further scratch it up. But this one is a very soft, again, lightweight suede eraser, and this is typically the one that you can find out in the market in most kits. But again, there are some more heavy duty ones with a little more grit, so I would stay away from those for this type of rehab. Those are really great though for actual suede items and getting more stubborn dirt and grit out of your sueded leather items. So you can see here I'm just very gently rubbing on these scuff marks and then brushing away the eraser shavings there, and they come right off. I did talk about treating patent leather goods with a protectant and conditioner. I recommended this Easy Detailer product that's worked really well for me on all products that are coated or made of plastic materials. You can find it currently on the brand's website. I wasn't able to find it anywhere else. And when you're done with a cleaning like the one that I'm doing here in this video, it is a good idea to apply a product like this to give your shoes a little bit of extra protection and also just to keep their shine really shiny. And if you're like me and you're rehabbing products to photograph, list online, and flip for a profit, you do want your items to look as good as possible when they go through that process so that you have the best chance of getting the market price that you're after. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, subscribing to my Instagram group to support the page. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube under the same handle, Excess Baggage. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, check out my playlist. I do all kinds of leather rehab to help resellers flip for a profit. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy thrifting!